Look up at the night sky. Every star you can see, every planet, every galaxy, all of it together, that's only about 15% of what's actually out there. The other 85% is completely invisible. We've never seen it. We've never touched it. And yet, it's the reason you exist. Scientists call it dark matter. And here's the strange part. It's everywhere. Right now, it's passing through your body, and you'll never feel a thing. So tonight, let's do something your brain was never built to do. Let's actually understand the invisible thing holding the whole universe together. Our story starts back in the 1930s with an astronomer named Fritz Zwicky. He was watching a giant cluster of galaxies spin through space. He measured how fast they were moving, and the numbers made no sense. Okay, picture a merry-go-round. Spin it slowly and the kids hang on just fine. But spin it fast enough and they go flying right off. Those galaxies were spinning so fast they should have been flung apart billions of years ago. There just wasn't enough gravity to hold them together. But they weren't flying apart. Something was holding on. Something invisible with a huge amount of gravity that gave off no light. Zwicky called it dunkel Materie, dark matter. And then, for about 40 years, almost everyone ignored him, until a woman named Vera Rubin picked the trail back up. In the 1970s, Rubin studied how stars orbit inside spinning galaxies, and she expected the same thing we see in our own solar system. Think about the planets. Mercury, close to the Sun, whips around fast. Neptune, out at the edge, crawls along slowly. The farther out you go, the slower you move. So the stars at the edge of a galaxy should move slowly too. But they didn't. They were moving just as fast as the ones packed into the center. Imagine the horses on the outside of a carousel spinning at the exact same speed as the ones in the middle. It's impossible, unless something you can't see is out there, pulling. So what actually is this stuff? Here's the honest answer. We don't fully know yet, but we know a lot about what it isn't. It isn't ordinary matter. It's not made of the same atoms as you, or the stars, or the planets. Think about the wind. You can't see the wind itself, but you can watch it bend the trees, push the clouds, ripple across a lake. Dark matter is a lot like that. We can't see it, but we can watch it bend everything around it. And the biggest thing it bends is light itself. Einstein showed us that gravity can curve the path of light like a lens. So when light from a distant galaxy passes a huge clump of dark matter, it bends. The image warps and stretches and splits into glowing rings. We call it gravitational lensing. And by measuring those bends, we can map exactly where the dark matter is. It's like invisible ink revealed by the light passing through it. And when we finally draw that map, we find something breathtaking. Dark matter isn't scattered around at random. It forms a vast, invisible web. Enormous threads stretching across the entire universe, connecting everything. Galaxies aren't floating alone. They're sitting on this web like dewdrops on a spider's silk. This invisible scaffolding has a name, the cosmic web, and every single galaxy you've ever seen is caught in it. Now, here's the part that makes it personal. Rewind to just after the Big Bang. The early universe was almost perfectly smooth. Just hot gas spread thin and drifting. For stars and galaxies to form, that gas needed to clump together. But on its own, it was far too weak to pull itself into anything. Dark matter got there first. Its gravity built the scaffolding, invisible valleys for the gas to gather in. Without that scaffolding, the gas just stays smooth. No clumps, no stars, no galaxies, no sun, no Earth, no you. So the invisible thing we've never even touched? It's the reason the lights in the sky turned on at all. It built the house that everything else lives in. Right now, dark matter is streaming through the room you're in. Billions of invisible particles passing through your body every single second. They slip right between your atoms without a bump, like moonlight through a window. You are, quietly, swimming in it. We've spent this whole time explaining something we still can't see, and maybe that's the most human thing science ever does. We noticed one galaxy spinning wrong, and from that single crack, we uncovered a whole invisible universe holding up the one we can see. We still haven't caught dark matter. Deep underground, in silent detectors, people are waiting for it right now, patient, hopeful, and maybe you'll be alive on the day we finally do, the day 85% of the universe stops being a mystery. Until then, look up. Most of what's out there you'll never see, but it's there, holding everything together, including you. Thanks for looking up with me tonight. I'll see you in the next one.